a couple other family members of LO. Where you at? Y'all gotta come up here and join us. Where's Cross? I'm calling you out, sir. Come on down.
Come on down.
Come on down. Come on down. Try to find a seat. Make some noise for Cross and Allan in the building. Godfather. We're gonna go into a little Q&A time. Obviously, there are some reasons why we took over, so we're gonna make this really quick. We're gonna talk a little bit about what lyrical opposition is, and then we'll transition into the rest of the service. Okay? So, none other. Who likes being put on blast?
That guy.
Does anybody like being put on blast?
That guy.
Who likes when you see someone else get put on blast?
He loves that too.
So, could you tell us what lyrical opposition is all about, young sir?
Ooh, I hate being put on blast.
Oh, we love you.
Thank you. Lyrical Opposition is a missional arts organization. It is a 501c3 tax-exempt organization that focuses on building up artists around the community, artists, activists, and enthusiasts. We're a community of conscious and faith-based artists merging together to, bringing the glory of God in a strategic way for the people that aren't believers, if you know what I'm saying. We're located at the Urban Center, 732 Bryant Street in San Francisco. We're opening up a chapter at SF State in October, so if anybody knows anybody at SF State, go and connect them to us. It's a very unchurched college, and it's a very unchurched city. We have about like 6 hip-hop artists officially on the roster. We have 4 spoken word artists on the roster, but a lot of them are hybrid. We have but 1 battle rapper, and we have about 20 people in our community, and who knows, they might be artists as well. And we have like 7 people on our staff, and we're hoping to get them staffed soon and get funded, if you know what I'm saying.
So check this out. We have something coming up. If these people enjoyed even a fraction of what was here, which is literally a fraction of what we do, where can they check us out? What's coming up?
You can check us out at lyricalopposition.com. It looks really good, but it wasn't really me that made it. It was a Squarespace template. People say like,
transparency.
I know people said, oh man, you should do graphic design, but nah. I just put a couple things together, added a couple pictures, a couple links on there. What
about the 19th?
Funny that you asked that. We have an event on September 19th. There will be prayer walk at 4 p.m. at City Hall. We're going to be praying over there. We collaborated with an organization from New York called God Belongs in My City, and we're bringing that to the city over here in San Francisco. We're going to start at City Hall. We're going to pray for the city. We're going to go around the city like in the Soma district, pray for police stations, churches, nightclubs, everything that has every influential area in the area. And we're going to end it at the Hall of Justice, and then we're going to have a unity concert called Undivided at 6 p.m. at City Life Church, a block away from Hall of Justice. How convenient.
Yeah.
We're going to have a bunch of our artists over here. This guy's going to be doing a spoken word piece with an interactive visual thing in the background. It's going to be pretty cool.
Don't give it all away. They gotta come. They gotta come to the show, man.
A lot of these artists are going to perform. There's going to be a lot of secular artists as well going to be performing there as well. So it's a really unique event that not a lot of people are doing. Usually secular events are secular events. Christian events are just Christian events. This is the first time this is one of the only times that you're going to see both of them merged, and we're breaking the secular and sacred divide at this event.
Undivided. Yo, I gotta give y'all props because some of y'all held in there and clapped the entire time. Yeah. Like, that's tough. My forearms and calves is on sizzle. But anyway, have a seat, y'all. We're gonna get into the rest of the day. I think we're done taking over. If you have any